W. And this is my sister. Hi everyone, my name is Shira Hidayat. And today we're gonna make some bubbles. And we need plastic bottles. And we need scissors, towels, water, plastic bowl, and the soap. Now we have to cut it. And then we wrap this. Now we have to cut it, and then we have to wrap it around. And then we need to put the soap in this, and then we need water. Put this in here, and then we have to open, and then we can make some bubbles. Ta-da! Now we need to dip the bottle and the towel right over here. And we need to blow it right over here to make a caterpillar bubble. Wow, that's so cool! Ta-da! Let me try. And then we make the dip. And then we can blow it now. Whoa, that's so cool! Now we make a caterpillar! Ta-da! Ta-da! That's it. And then you can make it at your home by yourself.